Janet, how many cars are in your garage?
Well, first of all, the Lamborghini Murcielago LP640, about $1 million. White, rare, and a serious statement. Then there's the Lamborghini Gallardo LP564, around $214K. The Bentley Continental GTC follows at $217,000. And the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible. That one's a classic, estimated at $324,000. The Porsche 356 SC Cabriolet from '64 is around $100,000, and the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor Ambulance, $95K of pure Ecto-1 energy. Last one, the Dual Ghia convertible from 1957, about $70,000. All in all, that adds up to about $2.5 million worth of legacy, luxury, and one-of-a-kind style.